The reason why we're crack sealing is to preserve the street for as long as we can. So it's a little bit of maintenance to the street that's going to make it last a little bit longer. It's kind of a band-aid. And so what we're really trying to do is keep the water out of the cracks. And so we come in and we blow it with high pressure air, and then we fill the crack back in. And what that does is it's keeping the water out, and the water is what will ruin any street. My name is John Stephen. I've been with PBOT for almost 8 years. So what I do is I put the material out on the cracks, and Leticia, what she's doing is she's moving it around and forcing it down into the crack. It's not good enough to set it on top of the crack. You actually want to feel the crack up. So what she's doing is she is actually shoving the material around and forcing it into the crack. And you know, she kind of makes me look like a rock star because it looks like I hit every crack, but really she's the one pushing it around. So I'd say crack seal will last anywhere from 3 to 6 years, depending on the traffic. This right here on this street is a low traffic area, so it might last 5 to 6 years. We try to get on the streets anywhere from 2 to 4 years after they've been paved. What I like about my job is just working with all the different people. I actually live in this neighborhood, so I like fixing up the streets and knowing that I'm coming into a street that's under repair and then fixing it, so leaving it in a better condition than we got it.